Restricting access to iSupport functionality. iSupport has a robust feature set that is suited to many different types of users, but there are ways to restrict access to those features according to your company workflows. iSupport's role and permission functionality is the primary way to restrict access to features. Roles are sets of permissions that are assigned to support representatives. This functionality is completely configurable. For example, you could create department-based roles, function-based roles, or title-based roles with more restrictive permissions for beginners and less restrictive permissions for managers. Roles are typically assigned to groups of support representatives via the Groups screen, but you can also assign roles to individual support representatives in the Profile screen. If multiple roles are associated with a support representative or group, all permissions associated with those roles will be in effect. Permissions are organized by feature set. If you have disabled features in the Global Settings or Feature Basics screens, those features will not appear in this screen or anywhere else in iSupport. Use reader permissions to restrict viewing of work items. For example, a support representative will only be able to view their assigned incidents if the View My Assigned permission is selected. Author and editor permissions enable access to functions. A function will be available for the support representative or support representatives in the group if the permission is selected. For example, if the Create New option is not selected for incidents, the Create Incident option will not be included on the desktop menu. There are also some settings in support representative profile records that can restrict access to features. You can prevent a support representative from accessing all configuration options via the iSupport Administrator setting. You can disable access to approval, mobile, chat, and other functionality on this tab as well. Although desktop dashboard access may be constrained by permissions, access to individual dashboards can be controlled for support representatives or groups via the Access option on the right-click menu. You can use the Alerts and Dashboards Manager to specify access to dashboards and push dashboards to the desktops of specified support representatives. You can use the Desktop Settings configuration screen to restrict access to desktop components and the record types and features involved in global searches performed by support representatives. You can control available dashboard components for a support representative group via the Group screen. That's it for an overview of the methods for restricting access to iSupport features. If you have questions, be sure to consult the online help. Our support team is available for a more in-depth walkthrough. Contact them by email at support@isupport.com and by phone at 360-397-1099, 6 a.m. to 5 p.m. PST, Monday through Friday, and 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. PST, Saturdays and Sundays, for critical system failures such as installation errors, inability to log in, and inability to create work items. You can also go to mysupport.isupport.com, iSupport Software's technical support website, to chat with support representatives, submit and view incidents, search the knowledge base, view facts, submit ideas, and participate in the user discussion forum.